Ever wondered how cabin crew manage to stay stress-free despite traveling constantly? Well, today, I'm sharing insider secrets that will make your next trip smooth, comfortable, and completely stress-free. Stay with me till the end. Some of these tips will change the way you travel forever. Always pack snacks. You never know when you'll need them. Airlines don't always serve food, and even if they do, it might not be what you want. Maybe you're on a budget or the hotel kitchen is closed when you arrive. That's why I always carry my own snacks. Protein bars, nuts, or even instant noodles. It's a lifesaver when you're hungry at odd hours. Instant coffee and tea bags. A small luxury that saves you. Nothing beats having your favorite coffee or tea exactly when you want it. Whether the airline's coffee isn't great or you need a quick caffeine fix after landing, carrying your own instant coffee or tea bags is a game changer. Stay warm. Planes are colder than you think. Airplanes are intentionally kept cool to prevent passengers from fainting due to low oxygen levels. But while that's good for health, it can be uncomfortable, especially for sleeping. Always bring extra warm socks, a hoodie, or even a small blanket for maximum comfort. Separate socks for sleeping hygiene matters. Here's a small but important tip. Always change into a separate pair of socks when sleeping on a plane. The ones you wore through airport security? Probably not the cleanest. Fresh socks make you feel more comfortable and keep things hygienic. Check the weather before you travel. You don't want to pack for sunshine and arrive in the middle of a rainstorm. Always check the weather forecast for your destination so you can pack the right clothes and avoid surprises. Access to maps, reviews, and taxis. Plan ahead. Make navigating a new city stress-free by downloading maps, hotel reviews, and taxi apps before your trip. Trust me, when you land somewhere unfamiliar, having everything ready will save you a lot of time and frustration. Carry a power bank, a must-have for travelers. I use my phone a lot when traveling, whether it's for navigation, booking rides, or entertainment, so a power bank is essential. Don't risk being stuck with a dead phone in an unfamiliar place. AirPods or headphones, your best travel companion. Flights can be noisy, and sometimes you just need to block out the world. Whether you're listening to music, studying, or watching a movie, AirPods or noise-canceling headphones make the journey so much more enjoyable. These are just a few cabin crew secrets that make traveling easier and stress-free. Which one are you going to try on your next trip? Let me know in the comments. And if you love smart travel tips, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because I have even more insider secrets coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.